Listen up. Most people think powerful communication is about fancy words. It's not. Words are just 10% of the game. The rest is psychology. Real communication is about understanding people, what they care about, what they fear, what they dream. It's a skill you learn, not a talent you're born with. Think about someone who commands a room without saying a word. That's presence. They project confidence and authority before they even speak. The secret? Stop obsessing over perfect words. Focus on reading people and connecting with what matters to them. Build a bridge between your mind and theirs. That's how you influence, not just talk. That's the start of true, powerful communication. Let's talk about the 7 mistakes that destroy credibility. First, reactive communication, waiting for others, using weak words, seeking approval. Second, information dumping, overwhelming people with facts instead of telling a story. Third, emotional leakage, letting nerves or insecurity show as anger or arrogance. Fourth, approval seeking, trying too hard to be liked. Fifth, defensive communication, treating every comment as an attack. Sixth, mirror communication, just copying others, becoming forgettable. Seventh, unconscious communication, not realizing how your tone and body language come across. Speak with purpose, connect emotionally, and control your presence. Avoid these traps and you'll stand out. Most people fall into these habits. Don't be one of them. Be intentional. That's how you earn respect. People judge you in 3 seconds. Trust, competence, confidence. Your presence is your presentation. Stand tall, shoulders back, head high, walk with purpose. Make confident eye contact, no staring at the floor or your phone. A calm, pleasant expression is enough. Hold someone's gaze for a few seconds, it shows you're engaged. When you speak, start strong, no or Even a simple, "Hello, I'm Steve," with a steady voice is powerful. Your tone matters, speak from your diaphragm, not your throat. Calm, clear, and measured wins attention. Align your words, body, and tone. People trust congruence. If your body says one thing and your words another, people believe your body. Match everything, and you'll win people over instantly. That's how you make a first impression that lasts. To be heard, project calm authority, not volume. Real authority is quiet, controlled, magnetic. Stay calm under pressure. People trust leaders who don't panic. Confidence comes from preparation. Know your material. Speak with intention. Use pauses to add weight to your words. Don't fear silence. Confident people use it. Try power posing before big conversations. Stand tall, breathe deep, feel strong, listen more than you speak. Ask real questions. When you talk, be clear and concise. State your opinion as fact, not a question. Practice these habits. Control your breath. Prepare. Speak with intention. Anyone can learn this. Decide to do the work, and people will listen.